So my name is Dr. Amanda Zariello, and I'm the owner of Restore Physical Therapy. I love working with post-operative ACL patients. I know how passionate they are about what activity they love, and I'm an important part of that process of getting them back to that activity.
Before fully tearing my ligament, I was living a year with an unstable kneecap, so daily tasks such as walking up the stairs, going for a light jog, even just walking in general, I always felt a sense of unstable kneecap, and it just made everything a little bit like self-conscious. I couldn't play soccer, I couldn't go to the gym, I couldn't do what I love most. So ever since I've been here, I've gained my stability back, I've gained my soccer abilities back, and now I'm living stronger and better than I ever had before.
So I injured myself 3 different times in the span of 3 years. The biggest thing for me was the atrophy that came with my injury because I was on crutches for so long. My left leg was completely like half the size of my right. I've never experienced something like that, the muscle loss that came from my injury. The amount of strides that I made with the team here, it was like incredible and immense.
It's a very traumatic experience for them, so I really feel like not only do I help them progress from walking to running to jumping, but really more of that like mental support of talking about the pain they feel. Pain can be scary, and so one of the biggest things I try to do is make them understand that pain is part of the process and doesn't mean that they're going backwards, and just kind of give them that little extra moral support from day one out of surgery all the way back to their return to sport.
I really learned that just because I had an injury in one spot, it affected my entire leg, my other leg. It affected my mind and like how I did things every single day.
My name is Devin Miller. Yeah, I felt it was definitely a change from the norm, whereas you get this kind of cookie cutter approach to physical therapy that just didn't suit me because there's certain dynamic motions that you just cannot replicate through normal activity.
I would definitely recommend Olympia Fitness and Performance to anyone, especially if you're coming back from an injury, because they make programs specifically fit for you and things that you need to work on to get stronger and faster.
Every single story is different, and everyone needs a different set of tools to get them to where they want to be, whether it's getting back to playing soccer or basketball, or even just someone who just wants to live a healthy, active life. Everyone's goals are different, and I love helping them reach them.
Yeah, it's been about 1.5 years now, so I continued to train on a regular basis. I'm finally back playing, and I even scored a couple goals. So yeah, I'm really excited, and that type of nervousness or the lack of confidence that I used to notice on a regular basis is gone. So I'm extremely excited for the future.
Having my recovery team under one roof helped me advance both as an individual and as an athlete.